Well guys, we made it to Deadwood. They're doing some road construction, lot construction, but we're headed down here to number 10. And I'm gonna grab me something to eat. And the rest of the guys here, they're gonna have a drink, or we're gonna have a drink too with Augie like we always do.
That ain't money.
Well, buying a flag. So we'll head on down here. There's a Deadwood Harley Davidson
in a quarter mile, sharp right onto US
place.
14 alternate west.
And I
US
tried to turn
85
that
south.
thing off, but it ain't turning me off. So there's your Harley Davidson shop. Yeah, I put it on GPS to find this thing, just to see what road it is, and I can't get it to shut up. Imagine that. Anyway, there's the Golden Nugget right there. And how he got ahead of me, I don't know. I guess because I stopped. Midnight Star, I'm gonna go in there and get me something to eat. I'll go have a drink with the boys first, but it's time for this boy to fill up on a salad. I'm tired of greasy food. Sorry about the jiggle. Sorry about the jiggle.